How to change region in Netflix. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to easily change your Netflix country or region on mobile. To change your region in Netflix, you first need to change your IP address. Open your web browser and search what is my IP address to see your current country. If you want Netflix content from UK or US, you'll need to use a VPN. For that, head over to Play Store or App Store, then search VPN. Now out of these apps, you can select whichever you want, then tap on the install option. Once it has been installed, open VPN and connect to a country you want, like United Kingdom or United States. When the VPN connects, you'll see a VPN icon appear on your device. Now go back to your browser, refresh it, then you can simply head over to netflix.com. Now, Netflix will load in your new region, giving you access to a fresh selection of shows and movies. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.